the exciting revolutions in today's education environment is the ability to engage learners at all levels. That includes those who are just starting to read and write, or those who struggle with their literacy skills. Perhaps you are visually impaired. Whatever the challenge, please know that there are tools available to help you reach your goals. Take Office 365, for example. This suite of programs, free on all Pioneer student devices, includes a feature called Immersive Reader. Immersive Reader can read the text for you, making it easier to follow along, and can be customized on many levels. Let's start by signing into Office 365 and opening a Word document. Along the top menus, choose View, then Immersive Reader. A new window opens with a screen reader active. Press the play button at the bottom to begin the screen reader.
November 2021. Dear families of Arcade Elementary School, this is the time of harvest and giving thanks for our many blessings.
Each word is highlighted as it is spoken. Note that you'll have to have the volume up on your computer speaker or headphones to hear the playback. This speaker icon next to the playback button controls whether you hear a male or female voice, as well as the speed of the reading. More options are available in the upper right of the screen. The AA menu helps you adjust the text size, and you can increase spacing with this toggle. 3 fonts are available, including the default Calibri and the kid-friendly Comic Sans. Below, the visual themes include the default black on white, along with white text on a black background and several other color combinations. The second menu includes the grammar options. Click here to see the words separated into their syllables. Underneath, you can have the reader show parts of speech, such as nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, each a different customizable color. Choose this option here to have the part of speech labeled for each word. The final menu of options allows for the Immersive Reader to show 1 line of text at a time, 3 lines, or 5 lines. This simulates a ruler or a piece of paper sometimes used to help new readers focus on a single line. The up and down arrows help you navigate between the lines. Click here to turn on a picture dictionary that turns on visuals for words that can be illustrated. This can be helpful to a student who is close to learning a word but still needs a clue. Click on the speaker next to the picture to hear it pronounced. Finally, notice the Translate button that has over 60 languages that you can listen to. This feature can help those English language learners. Find this option to have the translation by word or for the entire document. If, after translating, you find it going too fast, remember you can slow down the playback on the main screen. And at the top of the document, notice that you can instantly switch back to the document in its original language. Please note that even when you are done with the audio playback of the Word document, you can still go back and click on the individual words and have just that highlighted word read to you. Immersive Reader is available in Teams. For instance, click on View Assignment and look for the Immersive Reader icon next to the Turn In button. Immersive Reader also shows up in PowerPoint, again in the View menu. Have a test or a poll in Forms that you need read to you? Just look for the Immersive icon down next to these 3 dots. With Immersive Reader, the possibilities are endless.